Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Gentleman, but you can call me Mama because that's my nickname. Today I'm going to give a presentation on pretty collocations. So let's get started. He's amazed. He's surprised. That means she অবাক. She's amazing. She's wonderful. That means she আশ্চর্যজনক. I'm awesome. I'm cool. That means আমি অসাধারণ. It's awful. It's terrible. That means এটা ভয়ঙ্কর. Hope you love my presentation. Next time I will be back with another wow presentation. Still then, tata for now. Love you and leave you.